with Patrick Wells of Piedmont Landscape Management, and Patrick is going to tell us about his business and say thank you for being with us today.
Absolutely.
It's great to be here. Tell us all about Piedmont Landscape.
So Piedmont Landscape Management was started back in 1977, and we were here for our commercial facilities. And so we specialize in healthcare, HOAs, malls, shopping centers, and over these past several decades we noticed a need for residential, so we've launched into the residential market. We do both maintenance and we do both installation services, so we call it providing solutions. So if somebody has a drainage issue, we can provide the solution for that. We can do simple things like tree and shrub installations, but also we've built parking lots before. So we're staffed with landscape architects, we're staffed with horticulturalists and turf specialists as well. So we have a full team together.
Yeah, wonderful. I love the holistic approach and the consultative nature of the business, and so that's great to hear that you're a full service provider and have something to offer both individuals and businesses. Tell us a little bit about why you chose to join the Chamber.
Absolutely. So I've been a Rotarian for years, and everybody that I met ended up being an active member in the Chamber. So I started asking myself, well, what is important? Why are these individuals Chamber members? And then I started really diving deep and noticing that y'all have the legislation. Y'all really help out with that to promote our businesses and to make sure that things get done correctly. But also, y'all are a huge, I should say, y'all bring so much to the table as far as promoting and making sure businesses stay, but also what's tourism and creating the environment that businesses want to be a part of.
Yeah.
So that's why I joined.
Great. Well, at first I thought you were going to say because everyone else was doing it, but you did do some research and you found out the background behind us, and you hit on some of the good, substantial behind-the-scene things that sometimes people don't realize. Advocacy, legislative advocacy is a huge part of what we do, and just really appreciate you seeing the importance of the Chamber in keeping businesses healthy and active and thriving for as many years as y'all have been around. What would you say to a business that's thinking about joining but hasn't joined yet?
I think we all want our businesses to grow, and I think sometimes we think that it's all about we just got to go sell, and that's part of it. But also it takes folks like the Chamber to create that environment that businesses want to stay in, but also to make sure that we succeed. And I think that the more people you have on your side, we all can grow. I mean, Augusta's growing exponentially,
yeah.
and so we need to all be a part of that group.
Well, I appreciate that. Building relationships, that's definitely at the core of the Chamber, and we're just so pleased that a company that's been around as long as you have, like I said, is a part of the Chamber and saw the value in that. So thank you for joining us today.
Absolutely.